Hi guys, so I'm back here again, and this time I'm going to talk to you about, you know, I will now start with the service, and the first service is the compute services itself, which is called EC2, Amazon EC2, which is stands for Amazon Compute Cloud, right? So Compute Cloud 2 CCs, so that's why it's called Elastic EC2. So you can launch virtual servers in it, right? And it can be of your needed size of the compute that you want, power that you want, or storage, or memory, right? About EC2 instances. The instances are nothing but the virtual servers that you get, right? Scalability, you can get both horizontal and vertical scaling that you can do with EC2 instances. I'll talk more about these terms, but then just to get a gist of what are the services that you, and when it is a cloud-based service, obviously scalability is one of the things that would be there. Security, you configure something called the IAM in order to have secure access, or there are security groups. There are various ways to have security. You can launch instances in multiple availability zones. These availability zones for short is also called AZs or AZ, as whatever suits you. These are servers in the same region, basically, various data centers, right? So that would give you more availability if one's data center goes down. Cost effectiveness, because it is pay as you go service. So then there is the integration with other services, which is you can integrate with something called Elastic Block Store or Amazon S3, right, or the RDS, right, relational database system, Amazon RDS, or the Amazon CloudWatch. So these are the services which you can integrate very easily, okay, with EC2. So all in all, what happens really is you choose something called an AMI, which is like the type of AMI that you want to choose to launch the EC2 instance, right? So for example, you choose something like Ubuntu Linux AMI to launch the instance. So it is a pre-configured sort of an instance, and then your instances, you apply some security group over it, and you can launch the instance. And once the instance gets launched, then you can actually access it through RDP, remote desktop, or you can use SSH, right? If it is a Linux based AMI that you are using. So basically, concisely, this is what it is. I will talk more about scalability and those kind of things, right,